Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing everything you need to know about trading cryptocurrency. As an expert in this field, I have seen firsthand the potential rewards and risks that come with trading cryptocurrencies. So, let's dive in. Firstly, it is important to understand the basics of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there. When it comes to trading cryptocurrencies, it's important to keep in mind that the market is highly volatile. This means that prices can fluctuate greatly within a short amount of time, making it a high-risk investment. Therefore, it's important to have a solid understanding of the market and to do your own research before making any trades. One key factor to consider when trading cryptocurrencies is the concept of market timing. The best time to trade crypto will depend on a variety of factors, such as market trends, news events, and even the time of day. For example, some traders prefer to trade during the Asian trading session, as this is when the market tends to be the most active. Another important factor to consider is the use of technical analysis. Technical analysis involves studying past market data to identify trends and patterns that can be used to predict future price movements. This can be a helpful tool in determining the best time to enter or exit a trade. Lastly, it's important to have a risk management strategy in place when trading cryptocurrencies. This can include setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, and limiting your exposure to high-risk assets. Now for the bonus point, the best time to trade crypto will ultimately depend on your individual trading strategy and risk tolerance. So, take the time to do your research, develop a solid trading plan, and always be prepared for the unexpected. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.